right, so we're going to go ahead and solving this, actually not solving, but graphing this linear inequality. All right, and as we did in example 1, we first need to rewrite this in slope-intercept form. So that's what I want to do first. I want to go ahead and solve for y here. And so I'll do that work down here, and then we'll go from there. So let's go ahead and simplify this guy and solve for y. So we have 3x minus y is less than 3. All right, so we're going to subtract 3x on both sides right there. So now we have negative y is less than negative 3x plus 3. Now check this out. Now we're going to have to divide by negative 1. So I'm going to divide both sides by negative 1. And let's remember, anytime that we're dealing with inequalities, if we divide by a negative or multiply by a negative number, we have to flip the inequality. So now that's going to go and make that a greater than, which then a negative divided by negative is a positive 3x, and a positive divided by negative is a negative. So really we're graphing this right here. Y is greater than 3x minus 1. Okay, and I'm just going to put this over here because we need these rules right here. So, all right, great. So the first thing is, let's go ahead and plot the points, and then we'll talk about the solid and the shading as well. So we have the minus 3 right here. So that's the y-intercept. So 1, 2, 3, bam, right? So that's where we get that from. And then we have a slope of 3, so that's up 3 over 1. So that's going to be up 3 over 1, up 3 over 1, up 3 over 1. And you can do as many as you like, or as least as 3, right? You can do 3 as the minimum. So the question now is, do we do a solid line or a dashed line? Well, according to our rule up here that we talked about last example, that if it doesn't have a line underneath it, the equal to, then it's going to be a dashed line. So that's what we have going on right here. This is going to be a dashed line. So I'm going to go ahead and kind of do it like this. And there we go. And I'm going to put some an arrow right here as well. So we have a dashed line because it's not equal to. Now, do we shade above or below? Well, we're going to shade above right here because we have greater than. If it's greater than, if y is greater than, then it's going to be above. If it's less than, then it's below. And so so we're going to do greater than. So it'll be everything over here. So that's about what it's going to be then. And that's it.